Hey guys, it's White Lightning again, and we're going to try round 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to select a job. Okay, so light gray is anything we can take, and the black is what we cannot take. So we're going to try a decent paying but not too long of a job. I say that. It's 25 miles for 1,500. We ain't gonna try that little. There's one. Phoenix to San Diego for 340 miles. What is that? 15 grand. Well, that may be what we do. Yep. Let's take it. So as you see over here in the mini map, we now have our job where it picks up. Let's go back. Can't hear it. Let's go settings. Worried about the game sound overpowering my voice too much. But okay, there it goes. Wrong way. Alright. Well, let's go pick up our load. Just so Brad's happy. Lights on for safety. See which way we're going. So basically, we're going to the other end of town again. I don't quite remember what the speed limit is, but I do see the red light. On the right there's what a fuel stop looks like. That's what I thought. There's a bear behind me. Guys, this is a pretty decent game to be, in all honesty, especially for a phone. If I remember correctly, it was a free game. Okay, that's right. When you speed your mile per hour down on the bottom, it turns red. I forgot about that. As I said, it's been a while since I played this. Yeah, we'll take it. Alright. There's our trailer. So, let's go hook up. I think I will. And, was talking with Trucker Brad Gaming, and, I can't remember what his screen name is, but we all call him Jizzy. And they said, yeah, go for it. Don't worry about it. And you seem more comfortable than the way we were. And in their first video together, so we'll give it a go. Yeah, I ain't the best in the world, by no means. There's a lot I don't know. So, if you see on the mini-map, just above the steering wheel right here, is how many miles we've got left to go. And just to the right of that is how much time is left. So, 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Go back on the right side of the road here. Okay, that was green. Sorry, I made myself a little nervous. Get the turn signal. Our fuel's good. We're at fuel. Feels good. Driver's not. Luckily, it was just truck damage and no cargo damage. But you do, as y'all seen in the last one, and I didn't notice it, I blame it on the first video jitters. The end of the last run, we got money and ep2 took off because we had damaged. Now you know what? I can't stand this view because I can't see the road ahead, so we're going to change views. Now you see the end cab, and you know what? We're going to throw that mirror on there too. I know. I'm holding up the road and I'm in the handle lane. I'm all over the place. I blame Brad for this. Either Brad or Big Hoss. Y'all haven't seen their YouTube, I highly suggest you go over and see it. If I can figure out how to get the links in the description, I will do that. Ah! Wrong button. But you can't miss him. Trucker Brad's also another good one. Does mainly farm sim right now. Crick Hick does a lot of farm sim. And Gaming with Jim, he's doing more ATS. Right now I'm wanting to join them guys, but as we all know, gaming PCs ain't exactly cheap. Uh-oh. How bad did I mess up? Oh, I got her jackknife pretty good. See if I can do this without taking that truck behind me. Yeah, I forgot to show you guys the in-cab view last time, sorry. But, we'll get up to some okay speed here since we got a good little run ahead of us. And set the cruise control. And as you also see, I've got a fatigue bar up there. And I've never understood this. 18 wheels hard truck back in the day. What was it? 18 wheels hard truck. American Long Haul, I think, was the last truck game I played on PC. And I always liked the fact, there we go, we'll set cruise control now. I always liked the fact that when you got tired, you could pull off to the side of the road, go to sleep, because you had a sleeper. Whoa. Oh. Couldn't save it. And I've never understood why games, as far as I know ETS 2, ATS, whether you have a day cab or sleeper, you have to go to a hotel, which don't make sense to me. I know when I was on the road, the only time I ever stayed in a hotel was if the truck was broke down and I had to stay at the shop and they wouldn't let me stay in the truck. Otherwise, I mainly slept in the truck unless I was home, but that's a different story. Yeah, if I'm at home, I'm not sleeping in the truck, sorry. 61%, okay. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to find a repair shop. Oh, there it went. Start up, there we go. And, yeah, so now we'll add a little excitement. Luckily, you know what, we're going to set it on 42 and let it ride. Luckily, only did 11% damage to the trail. And this is the steering and the physics, or lack thereof the physics, I guess you would say. It's one thing about phone games I do not like. But hey, out of all of them, I do have to say this is one of the better truck driving. Shouldn't have blamed it in. One of the better truck driving games on the phone that I have found. Oh, there anyone. Uh-oh, we're going uphill too. Not good. LA, San Diego. Where are we going? San Diego, right? Yeah. So we got a lovely turn coming up. So, knowing this game the way I do. Brakes. We're going to back it down. No. Well, I tried to save it. Up to 71% damage on the truck. Yay! Still only 11 on the trailer. That's good news. And cuckoo. Start it up again. Let's go again. Good news is 54 miles and we're home free. But what I think I'm going to do for this series is take a run, record it, talk to y'all, see what you think. And we'll do one run of video. I think what I'm going to do on this one is we'll go drop this load off. We're not massively late. And then, don't you do it. Then we'll go and repair the truck, so that don't keep happening. Turn! Woo-hoo-hoo! We barely made it, guys. Go! Oh, truck stalled again. Okay. Let's try this again. But we'll go drop this off, get the truck repaired. See what I mean? Maybe it's just because it's a single drive. I don't know. I know, I'm getting tired. I'll be alright. I'm right there at the dock. 30 seconds. You know what? We're going to take the easy out. Especially considering how the last time backing into a hole went. And we're going to do a pull-in. Where do they want? Oh. You know what? I remember this place. We're going to back up. Pull up. See if they'll give it to me. We're going to do it right, boys. Right there? Yeah. Luckily, it's nighttime, no employees. So, we're going to use the room they gave us. See if I can't redeem myself from the last video. That lovely backup job. And give me all the grief you want, Jizzy and Brad. We all know we've done this too. I'll use all the room I can get to back that thing in there, as it does. And everybody brags about, oh, well, I didn't have to use any pull-ups and all this, that, and the other. You know what? In the real world, it don't matter. I love that. Hit reverse, automatically stick your head out the window. I love it. So, there's the lovely low battery warning again. I thought I loaded it. Undone enough. As you see, there's the truck. Parking bonus. We got a little bonus for backing it in there. And see, I was what? 20 seconds late, if that. And lost $167. Yay. And I don't think, honestly, I've ever delivered one without either one having massive speeding fines and red light fines, or took a delay because I was late getting there, because it honestly seems like the game just does not give you enough time. So we'll go to continue. Moving back up the corner. But tell me what you guys think about this game. Oh, I don't want to reach you right now. Sam, no. Okay. Real quick. As you see, the in-cab view. The mirrors do work. Lovely little coffin sleeper back there. There's that man. Yeah. Okay. Let's... Oops, sorry guys. Now I can go up and I can hit that button right up there and I'll repair the shop, or the truck. Back out. But I'm 90% sure that that's down there. There is a shop here. Yeah, she's hurting bad. The good news is we got 50 grand. Well, there's fuel. Ooh, getting tired too. Oh, there, I just seen it. Right there. Ah! Right there on the right side of the mini-map is the shop. So, let's take turn and do more damage, you know. Why not, right? 92%. Well, we might make it to the shop. Come on, light. Do me a favor. Ha! I'm gonna have to end up moving that. I know. Okay, and oh, I see it. And a hotel right around the corner. Hey, that'll work out. Wow, them are bright brake lights. Turn off the engine for once it don't die. $7,800. Yay! Alright. Reverse. There we go. And let's pull over there, right behind us to the hotel. Oh, helps when you don't hit the Samsung gaming key. Which, by the way, guys, that will, if you're interested in recording videos on your phone, that will do it as well. Don't ask me where to get it. I've got a Samsung S7 Edge, and it was on there when I got the phone. Let's see. Look at this. Great truck parking, but that would be horrendous with a trailer. Move that up. So let's turn it off. We'll rest later. You know what? Actually, we'll rest. Yeah. Oh. And I think I saw this last time, that we still had one perk point. And just because I know how it is, we're going to go to safe driving, just so it gives us 5% damage reduction on that level. Now, like ATS and ETS, the perks, as you can see there, right there, you've got 4 levels on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time it increases. So if I went and done safe driving again, I'd get 10% off the next time. On bulk, I unlocked that cargo category. Next time, if I pick up a bulk load, I get a 10% bonus for hauling bulk. As well with the rest of them. I think it's 10, 25, 50. I think. I can't remember, guys. Sorry. But what we'll do now is go to garage. Okay. We're in the garage, and I think we're going to customize 14 grand for that. 16 for that. You know what? Because I know the way this game physics works. See, right here you got durability. So that adds 5%. Yeah, you gotta be level 3 for that one. We're gonna add that. And now make sure you hit equipped as you saw it pop up. And just to give us a little more oomph, what's gears? 16. Yeah, we're adding stacks. Sucker for a hood and stacks and air cleaners hanging off. Yep. But guys, tell me what you think. Hit the like button down in that area. I think it will be. Actually, hang on. We'll do it this way. Hit the like button down here. But tell me what you guys think, and we'll see you next time.